Hello, and welcome to my Waldorf Astoria Beverly Hills room tour. I stayed here in April of 2024. I apologize for the portrait video here. This was from the same trip where my external drive failed and I lost the other footage. So first we have the entranceway with a coat closet. Then we'll move into the closet area with sliding doors. There's plenty of room for bags, a large mirror, hanging storage, a safe, and drawers below. Now we'll move into the very large bathroom. There's a single vanity sink with under cabinet lighting, a soaking tub with privacy curtain, and they use Aesop bath products. Here we have the toilet area with shower and another privacy curtain. Here's a better view of the shower itself. And now we'll move into the main part of the room. This has two very comfortable queen-size beds. And here we have the mini bar, Nespresso machine with snacks, and also glasses and coffee pods in this cabinet. There's a large TV on the wall and a desk area, which we'll come back to in a moment. We have a seating area here, and then we'll move out onto the balcony. This balcony has great views of Beverly Hills, and then you'll also be able to see that we're next door to the historic Beverly Hilton Hotel. And now we'll go back into the room where you can see the desk a little better, as well as the iPad from where you can order room service and the Amazon Echo that can be used to control a lot of the room features such as the lights and the curtains via voice. I spent some time at the bar in Espelette, the restaurant on the first floor, and had some wonderful cocktails. But we opted for a room service dinner. And that concludes this quick room tour of a superior queen bedroom at the Waldorf Astoria Beverly Hills. Thanks for watching.